Yo, what's up? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I'm super stoked on this build because it is so simple and so elegant. These are the upper lights for a 2005 Rolls-Royce Phantom. These are the same lights used in the 2004 to 2006 models, and the interiors are completely unmodified, so they are the original factory chrome finish. The only thing about them is that I have opened them and installed these custom halos that I had previously designed for the other Rolls-Royce Phantom headlight build that I had done. Since all of the design work and CAD work and overseas manufacturing had already been accomplished, this was basically just buying the product and installing it in, which made me very excited to be able to provide this service again. These are the white only option. So as you can see, once they turn on, they fit perfectly and they are extremely bright. They're outward firing LEDs, perfectly diffused, so we don't have any spotting or hot spots or anything like that. Two very simple LED drivers that are going to simply be a positive and negative wire that gets tapped into the parking light circuit for the vehicle, which right behind these housings, one of these bulbs is the turn signal and one of them is the running light. So you just tap right into that running light wiring and you're off to the races. Client mailed these things to me at the beginning of the week, and here it is the end of the week, and I am now shipping them back to him. So real quick, simple, easy job. Made me feel real good and I love doing it. That is all I gotta say on this particular build. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. If you are interested in a build like this for yourself, then by all means, please reach out to me. All build inquiries must be submitted via the form on the website, and a link to that website will also be in the video description. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I will talk to you later. Have a great day, guys. See ya.